Hello everyone, welcome to our next session. So the next unit we are going to start the unit number 3, meaning, purpose and style of writings. Now what is the meaning of writing, what is the purpose, why Q is important, and what are the different styles of writing. Okay, now basics of writing, why we need to write, what are the basics of writing and कैसे लिखना चाहिए, what are the basics of writing. First thing, it should be correct in grammar and pronounce punctuation marks जो हम लोग यूज करते हैं, it should be correct. So writing के अंदर spelling, grammars and punctuation should not be wrong. Okay, so the writing, these are the very basic things. Then let our thought flow with writing. It should not, हम लोग जो हम लोग सोच रहे, that we should put it in our writing. We should not limit our thoughts कि नहीं ये सोच रहा हूँ. First write it down, then if you want you can cut it out, then you can make it, rephrase it, but let the thought flow in your writing. So reader should understand this is your thought. Then phases of writing, follow the different phases of writing. We will see what are the different phases of writing. There are totally 4 phases of writing, so you need to follow that 4 phases very correctly, then your writing is compulsory. So writing is, your writing will be good. So writing is not only writing ऐसे ही कुछ notes बनाते हुए लिख रहे. Writing, you, it's not necessary you are a writer, you can become a writer if you start writing now. So book is very important. The one book, it might be a struggle of a writer of his 20 years experience वो एक book में लिखता है, and that 20 years experience you can just gain the knowledge of that 20 years experience in just 1 day or 2 day by reading the entire book. So that is the beauty of the writing and reading. So writing is very important. You can write all your experiences. So writing, but it should have certain this basic rules you need to follow and write it in that form, so that you can look in future to publish your book. You should develop always curiosity to readers, what will happen next. ये आप लोगों ने नॉर्मली मूवीज वगैरह में देखते हो आप लोग, they always create a suspense कि आगे क्या होने वाला है, क्या होने वाला है. So that will, it will hold the person to the seat. Same like that, the readers को भी hold करके रखने के लिए the writer should always develop a curiosity कि क्या होने वाला है आगे, so that it will encourage the reader to read further and complete the book. First you need to decide the purpose of writing. क्यों लिख रहे हो आप? You are writing for yourself, you are writing to put it on a social media platform, you are writing to your family. Where first you need to decide the purpose of the writing, where it will feed, which society it will feed. So now we will see what are the different phases of writing. जो लिखा है phases of writing, what are the different phases. Now what is phases? जैसे एक moon, आपको चांद दिखता है, रोज एक जैसा नहीं दिखता है, वो कभी छोटा 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 अलग अलग फेजेस दिखते हैं, उसके फेस है अलग अलग. तो दैट आर कॉल्ड फेजेस ऑफ मून. सेम लाइक दैट राइटिंग का भी एक फेज होता है. सो फर्स्ट फेज इज आइडिया. फर्स्ट phase is topic phase, in which you need to decide the topic, come with the topic. Then second is block phase, in which क्या होता है ब्लॉक फेज के अंदर कि यू कम विद द आइडिया, बट since you're thinking about it continuously कुछ strike in your and you are not getting anything to write. So at that time ये block phase बहुत सारे writers को आते. So that time the writer should take break, थोड़ा break लेके then again he need to come back to the writing, but breaks are important. So this is block phase. Then deadline phase, once the topic and everything is decided, then the writer should decide the deadline when to complete his writing. because there should be always a deadline so that you can complete your task in a given time. Then last phase is very important. This is proofreading phase. Proofreading phase. Proofreading phase. इसके अंदर you will finally check all things in details. कुछ spelling mistakes तो नहीं हुआ है ना, ये paragraph बराबर है ना, this grammatical ये punctuation marks, full stop वगैरह everything is proper. So this all things you will recheck. So rechecking ये this is last phase in which completely you will proofreading होता है उसके अंदर. So this is called proofreading phase. So there are total 4 phases. Idea in which topic आता है, then block phase जहाँ के mind block हो जाता है, then you have to take the breaks, then deadline phase in which you need to decide when to finish your work, then proofreading phase in which you need to recheck everything properly, reading all the corrections, जो भी corrections वगैरह वो सब करना ज़रूरी है उसके अंदर. Then next we will see what are the different styles of writing, what writers usually choose. So the styles of writing used by writers. Now different styles होते हैं writing के. Now this is not handwriting. हैंडराइटिंग ये अलग स्टाइल है, आपने देखा होगा टेलीग्राफी होता है, डिफरेंट फॉन्ट्स होते हैं, दैट इज डिफरेंट फॉन्ट ऑफ राइटिंग. दिस इज नॉट स्टाइल्स ऑफ राइटिंग. स्टाइल ऑफ राइटिंग क्यों लिख रहे हो, क्या पर्पस ऑफ नॉलेज, एंड यू विल अंडरस्टैंड बाय लुकिंग द एग्जांपल्स. सो some people write, some writings are informative writings, like कहाँ क्या ऐसा कंटेंट है जो रीड करके आपको इंफॉर्मेशन मिलता है. यस, लाइक न्यूज़पेपर्स वगैरह, दिस आर कॉल्ड इंफॉर्मेटिव राइटिंग्स. ओके. देन एनालिटिकल राइटिंग, इसके अंदर दिस इज मोर ऑफ थिंकिंग. इसको रीड करके यू विल थिंक, यू विल ट्राई टू एनालाइज व्हाट इज रिटन. जिस रिसर्च बुक्स है, ये है रिसर्च बुक्स है, ऑल दैट थिंग्स आर एनालिटिकल राइटिंग्स. लाइक सब्जेक्ट बुक्स है, यू आर थिंकिंग, पोएम्स है, दिस इज ऑल दिस एनालिटिकल थिंकिंग. पोएम्स रहता है 4 से 5 लाइन, बट इट हैज़ अ डीपर मीनिंग इनसाइड इट. So that is you need to analyze and think and get out the conclusion out of it, reading between the lines. So that is analytical writing. Then argumentative writing इसके अंदर means normally debates होते हैं. Some people will write certain things which is not agreed by many people. So like for example, if you're writing any thing, any book related to any particular religion, so it's not necessary, because on this planet all people are not following only one religion. There can be a different opinions on it. So these are called arguments. So there will be always an argument of in such kind of books. It's not necessary on only religion, there can be other topics also. Then comparative writing मतलब you need to एक चीज, like for example you're writing eating meat or not. So this is compare. Some people tell अरे ये खाना चाहिए, ये नहीं चाहिए. ये बुक के रेफरेंस पे someone will write the another book. Yes, मतलब they will answer this book. So this is called comparative writing. Okay, when you compare your book with reference to something other, okay, that is called comparative writing. So these are the different styles of writing: informative, analytical, argumentative, and comparative. These are 4 styles, the major styles of writings. Okay. Now writers, when they write, and even when you write your exam, now in the preparatory exam you need to just select from 4 options, like just like a KBC, but in the few further studies you need to definitely have to fill the pages and pages and pages by your writing. In that time, at that time, writing will only help by and most of the writers use this formula of writers 5 5 W's का फॉर्मूला यूज करते हैं ऑल राइटर्स. एनीथिंग विच दे सी लिसन when they these 5 what they ask to themselves, and they keep getting the sentences and paragraphs to extend the writing. 5 W's are what? These are different questions, starts from W: what, when, where, who, why. So you, based on anything you see, the writer will keep asking these 5 questions to himself, 5 what's to himself, and he will get the different sentences. अभी कोई सामने एक ट्री दिख गया, अरे what fruits comes on this tree, he can ask, and he will get the answer, and he will get the sentence. When this tree was planted, ये हो सकता है. Then who might have planted this tree, from where this tree origin has come, ये इंडिया का लोकल है ट्री, and why, what was the purpose it was been planted here. So like that you will get the different many sentences to fill your book. So this is the formula what writers basically uses, the 5 W's: what, when, where, who, why. Then there are different styles of writing. Now let's see what are the different styles of writing. Technical and scientific. There are technical books and scientific books. Then there are legal, there are fictions मतलब जो साइंस फिक्शंस होते हैं, जैसे क्रिश मूवी है, दैट इज फिक्शन. सो दिस आर जस्ट, आपके बुक में 3 ही दिए हुए, लेकिन यू कैन राइट enormous, how many you want, that many styles you can think. Like just for example, go to your Netflix or anything, any social media, this, उसमें आपको मूवीज के कैटेगरीज दिखेंगे, क्या क्या मूवीज के, फिक्शनल मूवी है, एक्शन मूवी है. सो राइटिंग कैन बी फिक्शनल, कैन बी एक्शन, कैन बी ड्रामा, कैन बी एनीथिंग. सो जो जितने टाइप के मूवीज बन सकते हैं उतने टाइप के स्टाइल्स ऑफ राइटिंग देयर कैन बी. सो यूनिट हॉरर हो सकता है, लाइक दैट. ओके, सो you don't need to remember, just remember few what till now अभी तक कितने मूवीज आपने देखे हैं, वो सबके स्टाइल्स यू कैन राइट. दिस आर द डिफरेंट स्टाइल्स ऑफ राइटिंग करके. ओके, दिस इज अ वेरी सिंपल वे. Thank you for listening our session. Hope you all have liked the session. I request you all to subscribe the channel and show your loves, and also press the bell icon, and please share like button, share button, and comment. Thank you, love you all.